In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to get crystals in Clash Royale. Let's get started. There are several legit ways to do it, but there is no real shortcut like hacks or generators. They don't work and can get your account banned. The best way is to keep opening chests regularly. Since silver, gold, and crown chests often give small amounts of gems that add up over time. You should also participate in events and special challenges because they frequently reward gems, especially during limited time modes. As you progress through arenas, trophy road milestones also give you gems, so pushing your trophies helps a lot. Additionally, the free version of Pass Royal includes some gem rewards, and if you choose to upgrade, you'll get even more benefit. Staying active in a clan is useful too, as clan wars and donations help you earn chests and rewards that may include gems. Don't forget to check the shop daily, as sometimes there are few rewards available. Another smart option is using the apps like Google Opinion Rewards, which give you free credits you can use to buy gems without spending your own money. Overall, consistency is key. Just play regularly, complete events, and collect rewards, and your gems will slowly build up. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.